Special thanks to this company for sending us their set of Christmas ball decorations. These are red, 25 count. Let me pull out a couple of them and show you what you get. I can say it's very well sealed. Tape and glue. I'm gonna get my knife, hold on. That work? So, these are made of plastic. They have a nice little loop here to hang them on the tree, so you wouldn't need hooks or anything. And there is a little bit of glitter from other ones on it. This one specifically doesn't seem to have glitter that's going to get on you, but put that one there. And we also have this one. This one's clear, no glitter on it. Nice little strands in there. I like the red look. Then there's this one that has like the beads inside of it. And then this one that looks like it has a bunch of glitter stuck to the inside of it. And then this one, which has these nice designs on it with glitter. So that's basically what each one would look like. The rest of them are all the same. And it is a 25 count, so you get 5 of each type of ornament that you see right here on the table. But being made out of glass is great. You can drop them, they're not going to get broken. And I really like the color. The color is a really, really nice red. They even have a little ornaments guide. Look at that. So that'll do it for this one. Thanks again to this company for sending this to me so I could unbox and show you what you get. Very nice plastic red ornaments. Really, really like them. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.